Today, many people feel busy all the time. Business owners, freelancers, the students, and content creators all have one common problem, which is not having enough time. We repeat the same tasks again and again, like replying to emails, posting on social media, organizing files, and following up with customers. The good news is AI automation tools can now handle many of these tasks for you. These tools work in the background and save hours of work every week. If you are a beginner, automation may sound technical or difficult, but it is actually much easier than before. Many modern AI tools are built for the normal users, not programmers. You can connect apps, you can create smart systems, and automate daily work with simple steps. In this video, I will share some powerful AI automation tools that can help you work smarter instead of harder. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow faster using smart tools and special offers. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description whenever I mention helpful tools. Because by using the description link, any special offer or bonus will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of video. Let's begin with the tool that comes at the end of today's list and still very useful for beginners. This tool is Zapier. Zapier helps different apps to talk to each other. For example, when someone fills out a form on your website, Zapier can automatically send their information to your email list in your CRM, or it can create a spreadsheet. You don't have to copy and paste anything. It works quietly in the background. This is perfect for small business that want simple automation without technical knowledge. Moving one step higher, we have Make.com. Make is similar to Zapier, but it gives you more visual control. You can see your automation as a flow, almost like a map. You can add conditions, you can add filters, and multiple steps in one system. For example, you can collect lead, you can check if the email is valid, you can send a welcome message and store the data in different places automatically. It may look a little advanced at first, but once you understand this, it becomes very powerful. Now, getting closer to the top, let's talk about an AI tool that helps you to writing and content automation. Jasper AI. It is an AI writing assistant that helps you create emails, ads, social media posts, and marketing messages faster. Instead of thinking from zero every time, you give Jasper a short idea and it creates a draft. You can then edit and improve it. This saves a lot of time for marketers and business owners who need to create content regularly. Next, we have TDO, which is very helpful for customer communication. Tidio or TDO is an AI chatbot that you can add to your website. When visitors come to your site, the chatbot can automatically answer common questions, collect contact information, and guide people to the right page. Even when you are sleeping or busy, the chatbot keeps working. This improves customer experience and helps you to capture more leads without hiring extra staff. Finally, we come to the tool at the top of today's list, and this one helps you to organize your entire work life. That is Notion AI. Notion AI is built inside the Notion Workspace app. It helps you to write notes, summarize long text, create task lists, and organize projects automatically. If you manage content, team tasks, or business plans, Notion AI can save a lot of time by turning messy information into clear and structured content. It feels like having a smart assistant inside your notes. When you combine these AI automation tools, your daily work becomes much easier. You can connect apps, automate tasks, you can create content faster, you can reply to customer automatically, and keep everything organized instead of spending time on small repeated jobs. Now you can focus on important work that helps you to grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you to understand how AI automation tool can save your time and make your work easier. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description for any special offer that will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.